welcome to the tutorial for visitors, how you can search for organic seed supplier on the European router database, and also how you can register as an organic seed supplier for the organic router database. So first of all, you can click on search for organic seed supplier, and then you have the possibility to choose a country where you want to search for organic seed offers. For example, we now take Germany, and then you will get a list of all the seed suppliers that are at the moment registered as seed supplier via the European router database for Germany. And if I want to, I can also specify this and see, for example, which species are offered by the seed supplier test guide in the country Germany. You can also register as organic seed supplier. For this, you have to give in the address of your company. You have to create login data, so a username and a user password, and you have to give an email that is connected to this password. And yeah, so if you forget the password, you can reset this. So for example, I will now just type in some test data, so you see how it works. And you can also give a web page, for example. Then we have to use a username that is not used already. So I just make one. I give a user password. I repeat it. And I give a unique mail. And with this, I can reset the password if I have forgot it. So now I register, and then I can log in with this username and password that I have just set. And now I have to start to manage my account and to request countries. So now I want to decide in which countries I want to offer seed. So for example, I choose, let's take Austria, and then I request Austria. I have to give a sales address. It can either be the main address, so the one I have registered with, or I can have an address also in Austria and give this one. Here I use the main address. I have to confirm that I have read and accepted the AGBs. And I also have to give a contact address, so in case the authority of Austria wants to contact me, I will give them my contact details. I also have to upload a document with my organic certification. I'll take this one. And I have to choose my control body. For example, I choose the one from Austria. So now you see I have requested this country, and now the national authorities of Austria are informed that I want to offer seed in their country. So I have to wait until they accept me as a seed supplier. And here I can also give some delivery information or some more hints. But first of all, before I can offer seeds, I have to wait until they have accepted me.